Okay guys, super exciting things are happening over here. So almost 3 weeks ago, a good friend gave me in exchange for some sourdough starter, a loaf of sourdough bread, and a loofah sponge that I had harvested. She gave me 30 hatching eggs and let me borrow her incubator so that I could hatch these eggs. And just now, I technically have 4 days left on the countdown thing. I'm so excited I can't even get my words out right now. Anyways, it's got 4 days left on the counter and my daughter noticed that one of the eggs has pipping on it, and so we were watching and we noticed it jiggle, and then twice we heard the little peeping noises. Oh my god, we're so excited. So now I'm taking you guys into my shed here because I'm gonna grab my little brooder that I made over the summer, and I'll link that down in the description box. It's just two kiddie pools. So I'm pulling these out. Along with my heater, and then I'll grab the little feeder and the waterer. So excited. So I'm gonna go take this all back in, and I'll continue to give you guys some updates on what's been going on around here. This is a spontaneous video for me. Was not planning on doing a video. I was actually gonna do a cooking video tomorrow. But here we are, spontaneous chick videos. Got my shed locked, and now I'm gonna be taking in all the supplies. So normally, and it is the plan for once they've all hatched, I would have them out here on my back porch. I've even got the straw there and everything, where they can just hang out here, get great afternoon sun, so they'll always be warm. Plus right now it's in the 80s. We're gonna have like 2 days over the weekend where it's like high 50s. So once those high 50s are gone, it'll be back to the 70s. That's when I'm gonna have them out here. Hopefully by then all of them will have hatched. But for now, these guys are gonna be hanging out in the laundry room. So let's go get this in the laundry room. Don't judge my laundry room. Right now, I'm not worried about putting the top on because they're too small to jump out or to even jump up there. But once they get to that point, then I'll add the lid to it. Oh my god. This luxurious 5-star hotel that they get to be in. All right, so here's that incubator and those hatching eggs. So the one that's right here is the one that's pipping right now. And I haven't heard the little pew pew in a minute, but hopefully if I catch it on camera, I'll be able to get it. Look at how beautiful all these colors are. I'm sad that I was so excited I didn't pay attention to the fact that I wanted more blues. That's okay, because look at how gorgeous these greens are. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, It is now evening. We have 13 hatched chicks. So they have been hatched for several hours now. All but one of them are fluffed up because the last one hatched about an hour ago. So I'm gonna leave that one behind in there to stay nice and warm until she gets fluffed up. But I am gonna move the rest of them. It's been half of a day and I don't want them. Check out my son in the background thinking that he's being sneaky, taking bites of the frijoles charros I had made. If you want to see the recipe for that, I'll link it down in the description box. Clearly it's good. I don't want them to continue to mess with all the other eggs because they keep rolling them around, and there's two that have been trying to hatch and they just keep shoving the eggs around with all their movement. So I'm gonna go ahead and start moving the nice and flipped up ones into their brooder, which I already have set up. I turned that on a little while ago so that that would get nice and warm. And then I added some quick chick solution into the water, and that's like warmish room temperature water. I don't have any feed in there. I'll do feed tomorrow because I want them to focus on getting hydrated before I introduce the food to them.
She's hungry. I think she's hungry.
Look at how cute they are.
I know.
Hi, Tiki baby. Hi, Tiki baby. Excuse the dryer noise that's happening in the background, but we've got all 13 of the babies in here. Several of them have had water. I've got this on so it's nice and warm in there. Most of them have gone under there. They're all curious just because the light's on. So I decided in the end that I am gonna put the lid on just because there is an air vent and I don't want that blowing air directly in here. So I'm gonna take a cardboard box and just stick it on top. That way that air isn't blowing on them and they stay nice and warm. I'm really excited about this. I'm super nervous. I honestly wasn't sure if we were gonna get any eggs just because I'm brand new to all this. I have only ever gotten chicks that were already hatched. And so this is a whole new experience for me. So fingers crossed everybody does good. I'll have them on their feed in the morning and hopefully all of them survive the night, and hopefully the rest that are trying to hatch in there will make their way out. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Say some prayers for my new little chickie babies. And if you haven't already, I hope that you're willing to hit that subscribe button and stick around with me for a while on my journey to becoming a homesteader. I'll see you on the next one.